Hi, Braydan from Burns 1876 here. Our friends at Illum Connect have asked me to review some of the concho sets we have in the shop from Hansen's Western Gear. Tim and Marie are the owners of Hansen Western Gear, and their company specializes in hand-engraved silver products, so like buckles, conchos, jewelry, and they have a variety of different options that you can choose for your conchos and buckle sets. They do all sterling silver, sterling overlay, silver plate, brass, and some rust with overlaid metals. Let's take a look at a few of our concho sets from Hansen Western Gear. We have the Oakdale in antique with a rope edge. We really like to use this set on our ranch saddles. It's a beefy 20 gauge concho, and this rope around it really adds a lot of strength and gives it a good look. I'm partial to the antique look. I think you can see the engraving a little bit better, and I like the patina. And then we also have one of our best-selling conchos and our barrel saddle line is the Kansas. So this is a bright finish, so a high polish finish, nice hand-engraved star pattern. The nice thing about the Hansen conchos is you can get them in a bunch of different options. So you can get them antiqued, high polish. What I like a lot about Hansen's package is you can get most of their sets in slotted, wood screw or Chicago screw, so you can make sets, match your bridles with your saddles. There's just a ton of options. Another thing that's nice about the Hansen sets is you can get them in different metal options. Now, they have an option of solid sterling silver, silver overlay, and silver plate as an option. They also have brass and rust conchos. A lot of people ask us the difference, what's the difference? Because there is a significant price difference from solid sterling silver to overlay and then silver plate. One thing that may be a little confusing when you're going to pick your products is do I select sterling, overlay, or silver plate? What is the difference? Well, sterling silver is 9.25 pure silver and about 7.5% of other metals like copper to harden it up, because pure silver would be too soft to use for conchos or jewelry. And then overlay will be a thicker piece of sterling overlaid over a fill metal like brass or copper or something like that. So you have this layer of less expensive metal, and then you have sterling overlaid the top. And don't confuse that with silver plate, which is also an option. And that's just a very thin layer of silver that's sprayed over the top of the base metal. So they have all these different options to fit your price points. They do a great job of hand engraving, nice bright cuts to really show off your leatherwork. Thanks for checking out this video on Hansen's Western Gear. If you're interested in more information about Hansen's, check the description below for their contact information. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the Illum channel.